If you guys are a fan of Korean toner pads, this is perfect for you because iisa-isahin ko kung anong variant ang perfect sa skin type mo. This is Skin Ever toner pads and this is made with Korean patent. This variant is perfect for oily, acne-prone, and combination skin. It can reduce acne, blackheads, and also whiteheads. And guys, it can control excess oil and it can cleanse our pores. And guys, it can also brightens our skin tone. Next variant is Vitamin C. This is best for dry, sensitive, and dull skin. This can brighten complexion and it can reduce dark spots. This can provide deep hydration and balanced skin, and this is free from fragrance and alcohol. This has Vitamin C, niacinamide, and centella. Talagang may improve nito ang dullness sa skin nyo. This is perfect for sensitive, dry, and irritated skin. This can soothe inflammation and reduce redness on your skin. This can provide deep hydration and this can restore skin barriers. It has centella, niacinamide, and ceramide that can moisturize your skin. You can use these two variants for every day or every night. Well, this variant naman is perfect for 2 to 3 times a week. Which do you think variant is perfect for you? Bye!